Wabbitat Deluxe rabbit homes offer the perfect living space for rabbits, ferrets, guinea pigs, and other small pets. Wabbitat Deluxe is available in 2 sizes and is expandable with optional extensions that are sold separately. Let's assemble a Wabbitat Deluxe. Attach the long plastic side to the bottom tray, aligning the L-shaped tabs with the holes. Then slide until it clicks into place. Repeat this with the second long side, again paying attention to the L-shaped tabs and ensuring the side clicks firmly into place. Connect a plastic end to the long sides and down into the base. Push firmly on each corner until the plastic end clicks and connects completely with each long side. The long sides have a track that joins with the V-shaped notch on the plastic ends, so be sure each of the 4 corners have been firmly connected. Set the assembled base aside and locate the elevated feeding tray and steps. Connect these 2 pieces, inserting the tabs of the steps into the underside of the tray. Place the tray on the assembled base and set the food bowl on top. Lay out the wire top so the door opens toward the ceiling. Pull upward to create the side and back panels. Using an L-shaped corner stabilizer, secure the back and side panels together on one end, then repeat on the other end. It's now time to place the assembled wire top on the plastic base. The corner stabilizers will snap neatly into place on the back 2 corners of the base, and the wire sides should rest between the lip of the plastic ends and the plastic tab on the inside of the home. The white door panel hooks on the open side of the wire top and swings outward to give you access to your pet. Please note that the Model 158XL, the Wabbitat Deluxe Extra Long, has 2 white doors. Place a corner cap on each lower corner of the white door. To secure the wire top to the plastic bottom, place the clips around the outside of the wire top as shown. The hooks on each clip will attach to the 3rd horizontal wire from the bottom. Choose the desired location for your water bottle and attach it to the wire. The water bottle can be hung from the outside or inside of the home. Finally, assemble the outside hay feeder and attach it to the desired location on the outside of your Wabbitat. Your Wabbitat is now fully assembled and ready for bedding, food, water, treats, and a furry friend. For more information on Wabbitat rabbit homes, as well as printed instructions, visit MidWestHomesForPets.com.